59 to 62, Corvette hood, C1. This is our version. The outside looks stock, doesn't look any different. And you're right, it's the back side. This hood has a complete finished out backside. It does not have factory latches. This is custom. We're not trying to match original, what GM did. This hood is designed for a lineal actuator, a little electric motor. Picks it up, takes it down. It's going to fasten here. You're going to have two hood stops. So when the hood's down to where you want it, you have your stop switch, stops the hood, and it'll stay perfect. The neat thing of this hood, it's finished on the back side. So when you have the hood open and you're looking at that beautiful engine compartment that you had invested hours on and painted and brought your jewelry to shine, it's reflecting in a finished hood. Lightweight, uniform, very nice piece. Pretty simple to put on, but like I always say, it always helps if you know a little bit about what you're doing.